Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. Today I'm going to share with you some inspiration for the vintage pop-up cards from our design team. Let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got a beautiful card here from Jen. She's made the mechanism. I love this mechanism. I think it's absolutely ingenious. Toby designed this. So she's added the sentiment in the middle. She's paper pieced the centre on the bottom of the card so you can write your message. She's used the panels on the front for decoration. And she's added a little bit of acetate to the front. So we've got two belly bands, the sentiment in the middle, and she's used two of the sentiments. So you've got the lovely detail top and bottom. Some lovely food techniques there, Jen. Thank you very much. So moving on, we've got another belly band, just using a circle die and the stamp. So that we've got lovely crystal drops to finish off here. And again, lovely pop-up detail. Moving on, we got one from Dawny. So she's used the gorgeous ripple card here. I love that card. And again, beautiful sentiment in the centre and finished off with the lovely crystal drops. This one I loved. This is from Christine. And she's done something a little bit different here. So if you look at the background, the love isn't included. She's used that from her sentiments. But the background, she's embossed into the cardstock without cutting it. Just use your embossing mat and your die. And it almost gives you a quilted effect. Then she's cut the die again in another card in the gold she's used and laid it over the top. So you get almost like a quilted effect from the card. And then she's added a little bit more decoration down the sides. Shilpa's gone with the papers. So she's used the beautiful hearts, the tumbling hearts paper. Love that. And then moving on, again, more hearts. And the for a friend. And when you open, we've got a lovely thank you inside. So look at the iridescence in this card. It really gives it a gorgeous pop. That's beautiful. That's from Jen. Then we've got a look at all the papers, all the golds and creams that come in this kit. Nice little finish there with the sentiment. So I hope you can have lots of inspiration from this kit. Don't forget to share it on our Facebook page, and we'll see you for another video soon.